little.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another exciting video. Okay, so I know I've been away for a very long time due to school and other stuff that I'm working on, but I know I've been lazy when it comes to recording a video, but I am here to stay. Okay, so today I've come to you in my raw state, no makeup. I've kept my face bushy for about 2 weeks because I normally shave my face every 2 weeks or a week, you understand? But I kept my face like this because I wanted to do a tutorial and show you how I shave my face because I'm very hairy. You can see from here I have hair growing all the way from here to my hair, and it makes the black spots very visible, you understand? But I'm going to show you the trick I do to get my face flawless. And you can see my brows. Let me come close so you can see it very well. You can see that my today it's just me, okay? Period. It is just me. I am here to give you my raw self and show you how I go about shaving my face and giving my skin looking like a baby, smooth like a baby, and looking flawless. Okay, so let me not bore you. If you are new, if today is the first time watching me, my name is April Daisy and you are welcome to my channel. You're welcome, and please, if you've not gone through my videos, please do, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up after watching this video. First of all, what I do is to put oil on my face. It can be any oil at all. So I use coconut oil or shea butter or anything, like any oil of your choice you can use on your face. Okay, so what I do is I rub it all over my face like this. Oh my God. Okay, so like this. Then I get my blade, a newly packed blade. If you are doing this for the very first time, please be careful, okay? Because you end up killing yourself. But it's not scary. I'm just going to show you the trick. Let me just come close so you can see everything. What I do first, let me get a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So I have my small mirror here. It's very dirty because I don't use it. So normally I do this rather. I can't see shit. Yes, I don't know whether I saw that, but yeah, after giving that thing, I just do this. You do this to the blade, okay? You just you understand? Then you do this. Can you see it though? You drag it like this. Honestly, my face is not that grown though, because on a normal day, it's pretty bad. Okay, I think I shaved my face on Friday, but I didn't shave my brows because I was going out and I didn't like the way I was looking, so I think I did a little shaving, but it wasn't like perfect. So I go up here too. Sometimes if you do it like this, the hair moves to this direction and you don't get the root of it. So sometimes I do this too. And trust me, you get some. So yeah, that's what I do to my cheeks. Sorry. So I move to this side too. Why am I sweating so bad? So like we did to the other side, try to shape my 5-5 like this because I wanted to go back. Then I move downwards. So we are moving to this side. Okay, so I'm moving to my brows. With my brows, I've realized that there's a new trend going on, which I want to try. So I'm not gonna shape it like I normally do. Some people see my brows and they be like, it has already I make sure I get all the shape intact. Okay, like just get a shape. So when I take pencil, I don't do much. But this time around, there's a new trend going on, which some girls don't really shape their brows, but because I have been doing that, I get a lot of new brows going. See my hair, it's not bad. So like, you know, let's do this. So you get your spoolie or your brush or whatever, brush it all up like this. Most of the time I use gel, which is not here. I have a glue stick, so let's just use that. It's been a long time I used it actually. So with the same blade, I turn the other side, use the other side of the blade, and I start shaving. Okay, so we start from here. Normally I start from here. So I shave the let me get close so you can see what I'm doing. I shave this side like this. So this time around, man, can't blade me. See, I'm holding it like this, gently. Don't press it when you're doing it. Make sure you don't press the blade. Otherwise, you hear it in your skin. So I try to raise my brow sometimes because I want to see the under veil, and I don't take like more than I'm supposed to. Right. So yeah, and I go this way. I don't know, but I picked out the shape that I want for my brows. So that's exactly what I'm doing. That's how I want it, like this. So now I have to brush it all down, then shape from up down. So we are doing this, we are going to repeat the same thing here. Okay, so yeah, I just finished this side of the brows. I think it's okay, it's looking nice too. So yeah, we good. Then what I do is I try to clear this side of the brows. Okay, my hair grows everywhere. So I do this. When I finish, I have this makeup remover. This is so good, like it's better than using face wipes, trust me. So this is what I use, and I take my makeup remover, then I try to clean my face. It might shame you, but when it shame you, it means that you cut yourself some way. Okay? So, oh, I like this my brows though. Now I can do that thing that people are doing so. Okay, so yeah, I do this, then I honey and sugar mix that I have. Then I scrub my face like this. Okay, so it has been about an hour or so, and I just decided to wash my face. watching this video. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up after watching, and please subscribe. I don't know where the thing is, but I feel like it's around this side or this side. I don't know. But please subscribe if you've not subscribed, okay? Please, I beg you. If this is your first time watching me, my name is April Daisy, and this is my channel, April Daisy. Please don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms except Twitter. I am on Facebook at Daisy Tego, and please add me on TikTok and Instagram at IAM2_April Daisy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Wow.